Pennsylvania Cooking. It's still hot, so today I'm bringing you another salad. This is not necessarily a PA Dutch thing. I actually discovered this salad when I was out in Mason, Ohio. We actually ate at a restaurant called the Houston, and it was a really nice restaurant with an amazing salad bar and the most unusual potato salad. I like potatoes any way you can make them, but probably my least favorite is potato salad. And I've come to realize that's mostly because I don't care for the mayo-based ones, like PA Dutch potato salad, hot German potato salad, and Isaac's, the sandwich chain. I think it no longer exists now, but it had a dilly red potato salad that I loved. Anyhow, the Houston sadly closed during the pandemic, but just reopened this year. Sadly, they don't have the salad bar anymore. But I finally found a similar recipe for this potato salad, and it's whipped potato salad or mashed potato salad. So let's get to it. No cooking involved, at least not ahead, and simple ingredients. Let's get to it. So you need mashed potatoes, 4 to 6 cups, diced onion, diced hard-boiled egg. You can use all mayo, half sour cream, which is what I did. Also sugar, vinegar, mustard, and relish. And I used a dilly relish. Step 1, we're going to take our mashed potatoes. And I confess, I cheated. Time-wise, and especially if you don't want to heat up your kitchen, I actually used the Idahoan instant potatoes because outside of actual potatoes, they're really, really good. We're going to add the mayo, and the sour cream, and mustard, and the vinegar, and the sugar. And next we're just going to beat this really good. So it's pretty well whipped, and all we're going to do is fold in the last of our ingredients. You can always add some bacon too. This will give it the main ingredients. And you can always adjust to your own taste too. And all we're going to do is mix this up well, and then you know what comes next. Getting this all incorporated, and I did throw in some salt and pepper, so we got to have salt and pepper. And there she is. And here it is. And you can see the egg and all the other good stuff in it. And I did add some garlic too, so, you know, sort of like bacon and cheese, everything's better with a little bit of it. I don't know if it's the mustard or the relish or just a combination of all of it, but this is just so much better than regular potato salad. I really love this. So there you go, whipped potato salad, another salad for the hot summer.